The Alabama Supreme Court made a rare out-of-town appearance Wednesday.
The state's high court hearing oral arguments in two cases during a session at the Mark C. Smith Concert Hall inside the Von Braun Center. News 19's Dallas Parker was there.
The Alabama Supreme Court, minus 3 justices, brought the docket from Montgomery to Huntsville Wednesday. 2015 was the last time the state Supreme Court made the visit. Roy Moore was Chief Justice then. The Supreme Court hears appeals of decisions in both criminal and civil cases.
Today, the Alabama Supreme Court held oral arguments in 2 cases at the Wernher von Braun Civic Center on his birthday. Students from schools throughout the area attended. And this is something that has been done here in Huntsville for quite some time.
Hundreds of students from Huntsville City, Madison County, and private schools in the area filled the audience as the state's highest court heard oral arguments in 2 cases. The first case the court heard involved a fire that a fire marshal suspected was deliberately set. The homeowner was arrested for arson, but the charges were later dropped. He wants to sue the fire marshal for defamation. The state is arguing a fire marshal is immune from suit because of his state job and duties. The second case involved a hunter injured in a tree stand accident. He wanted to sue the manufacturer of the stand, but wasn't able to identify the manufacturer, just that he bought the stand at Cabela's. Wednesday's arguments were about whether Cabela's efforts in providing the manufacturer's name to the hunter were consistent with the law. Parker explained what happens next.
These cases were argued by the council. We will take those under advisement. That means we will re-listen to the argument, see how that might modify the initial impressions that we had, then write an opinion, circulate it among the justices, and see if we can come to a unanimous agreement on it, or if we're going to have a divided opinion with people writing in different directions.
Chief Justice Parker says going on the road to hear cases is more important than people realize.
The Alabama Supreme Court is the court of the state. It's the court of the people. And too often our work is inside the judicial building in Montgomery so that people don't know what we do. We are put there by the voters of this state, and we want them to have some exposure to what we do.
In Huntsville, Dallas Parker, News 19.
Chief Justice Parker says Huntsville has treated the court well. The justices will travel to Andalusia, Birmingham, and Tuscaloosa in the days ahead.